Okay, today's road trip's going to entail two stops. One is the paint shop to see if the paint's done. That's been the holdup so far. I could start putting the rest of the interior together if I had the package tray painted. And the other is the seats are done. So we're going on to Shelby Trim to get the seats put in the Catalina. Now I won't put them in until I get the package tray painted and get all that together. So I don't know if I'll have video up of the seats in the back of the truck ready to go in, or if I'll just wait and put the car all together. Tom, the guy that told me about the car, is going with me to pick up the seats too. Help me unload them, I guess, when I get home with them. So anyway, we're off. I didn't make any video with Tom, unfortunately. I just was too excited, I guess, with getting the seats. The seats are in the back of the truck. I met Tom at Haney's, just dropped them off at Haney's. Now I'm on my way back, and we'll do a little video of the seats. They're in the back there, so off we go. Well, as you can see, I'm at the paint shop, and they still don't have the paint mixed, and that's the big holdup right now. So I guess tomorrow I'm going up to the old trusty place where I've always gone, to Romeo, to get the paint. If they don't have it done by 5 o'clock today, I told them just cancel the order, I'll go elsewhere. So yeah, sometimes that's just what you got to do. Alright, made it back with the seats. I got the armrest for the driver's door redone. It looks amazing. So the interior in this car will be like brand new. So I'll get the truck unloaded, and then I'll make some video of the seats. Yeah, I thought I'd get a little video of the seats before I pull the truck back in the garage. I just kind of set them up on the car, the back seat. I don't want them on the floor. They're not going to hurt the car at all. But they came out magnificent. Just every aspect of it came out perfect. This they reused off the original seats. That's original material right there from the original seats. So you can see the vinyl is a perfect match. You couldn't ask for a better match. It just looks so good. I'm so thrilled. This is the backrest of the back seat, and this is the bottom of the back seat. I can't see what I'm videoing there. I'm holding the camera up too high, but they're just unbelievably beautiful. As usual, as always, they do magnificent work. All right, let me get the truck back in, get the heat back on in here. I turned the heat off. I keep the heat on in here all winter long. But seeing I have the door open, I thought I'd better turn the heat off so the furnace just doesn't sit there and run endlessly. Alright, I got the truck back in the garage and the heat cranked up. And we got the old material there, so Bob, if you send me your email address, email it to me, I'll get that stuff boxed off and off to you probably early next week. I got a pretty busy week this week. But I put some padding there so if the seat accidentally falls back, it doesn't damage anything. And got the leftover new material here. This is the vinyl I got from SMS Interiors, the fabric that I had them reproduce, the leftover of that, and the piping they made with the vinyl for around the seats here, like here and whatnot. So. And here. So yeah, I'm just totally thrilled. So I'll give you a rundown of what it cost. You can just pause the video if you want to read this. And there's the grand total, $3,265.98. It was worth every single penny of what they charged to do it. They did a really, really nice job. When it comes to upholstery, I learned a long time ago, you get what you pay for. Yeah, their prices are up there, but their work is top notch. So if you're doing a concourse restoration or over restoring a car and you want it to be better than factory, take it to them. Really thrilled. Really looks good. So maybe I get the package tray painted. I'm still waiting on the paint, as I said earlier, and they don't have it by 5 o'clock this evening. I told them just to cancel the order, and tomorrow I'll run up to Romeo and have it mixed while I wait, and I'll just spray it with my little door jam gun, because I cannot put that package tray in because of the adhesives over here, and the back seat clips in here and comes up a little bit, so that package tray has to go in before the back seat, and the side panels have to go on before the back seat, but the package tray has to go in before the side panels. And yeah, so I'm not even going to put the front seat in until I have this back done. I don't want to take a chance on doing any damage to the front seat working in the back, so I'm just going to leave the seats right where they are until I get the package tray painted up, and we'll get it together, and I'll take some video of putting it together, and I'll take some video of it done. And Dad, I might even, we've had a lot of rain, it's washed all the road salt away, so if it stays nice into the beginning of February and the roads hadn't been resalted or anything, we get a nice day, maybe I'll drive it up to Romeo so you can check it out, maybe go for a ride on the new seats. Really thrilled with how the seats came out. So that's just a little of what's going on today. We'll get a little video. This was the side that was really torn, but I had the towel over. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? It's going to finish the car off. It's going to look amazing. Get the interior, the seats back in, and as far as I'm concerned, the car's done. I still got to do those spots on the floor pan, but I want to get I'll get the interior back and get that all done, and I'll put it up on jacks and do that. Probably early next week I'll do the undercarriage part. I don't want to take a chance on having goo on my hands and walking around this stuff, or spraying undercoating or something and getting something on the seats. It's just not worth it. Not for what I spent on them. These are going to be in the car, and the windows will be up, and then I will do the spraying of stuff underneath. So yeah, awesome, huh? One other thing, I did put the armrest cover back on, so now all the armrests look good. That one was all split and torn up, as you may have seen in other videos, so that's all repaired. Another nice thing was these seats were done ahead of time. They had originally told me the first week of February, so they're done a couple weeks quicker than what I had expected. So yeah, when I stopped there to check on them, I thought, I got to get moving on the floor pans. They're going to have them done by the end of the week, and here it is the beginning of the week and they were done. So yeah, I'm just thrilled that they did them quicker than typical. Usually, like I've complained about in past videos, anything old car related usually takes forever. I was expecting, they told me the first week of February. I was figuring maybe the end of March, so I was kind of taking my time and dilly-dallying with that, and when I saw the covers I had to step it up. So hopefully we get the paint. I'm kind of anxious now. I just want to get that package tray painted so I can get it back in the car and get this thing together. I'm really looking forward to having it together. And Merry Christmas to me. I guess Merry Christmas and Happy Birthday all at the same time. Yeah, that was an expensive present. Awesome, huh? Couldn't be happier. It looks amazing. Thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe if you enjoy my channel. Thank you.